Tired of the same old sandwich? Let's spice things up. Today we're diving into 10 different types of wraps, from fresh and healthy to bold and flavorful. Whether you're craving something light, hearty, or totally indulgent, there's a wrap here for everyone. Get ready to roll, literally. Let's wrap things up and get started. These wraps are looking so good, right? If you're loving these ideas so far, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more easy and delicious recipes, subscribe so you don't miss out. Got a favorite wrap idea? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to share this video with someone who's always hungry for new food inspiration. Thanks for rolling with us through these 10 delicious wraps. If you found a new favorite, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tasty ideas, and drop a comment telling us which wrap you're trying first. And hey, share this with a friend who's always looking for new recipes. Until next time, keep it fresh and keep it flavorful.